Today, I'm going to show you how to add one of your favorite recipes into MyFitnessPal so it doesn't take a lot of extra time for you to enter it in your food diary. Let's just say one of your favorite meals is from Bon Appetit Chicken Piccata, and you can pick any website, any recipe, and what you do is you're going to copy the URL from the recipe, then you're going to go to Food on MyFitnessPal. Then you're going to go to Recipes. So your home page, Food, then Recipes. Then what you're going to do is paste the URL here into the recipe importer. Then you're going to click the green button, Import the recipe. And you can do anything you want. You can name the date. You can add Bon Appetit so you remember where you got it. It's automatically entering the number of servings. You can change this if you like. Let's say there are only 2 of you and you're really hungry, or you're feeding 6, then you can go ahead and change that to 6, whatever works for you. We'll keep it at 4. Then you're going to click Match Ingredients. The next green button makes it very simple. Then what we hope to see, which we are seeing, is that 10 out of 10 ingredients were matched. So the recipe was successfully imported into MyFitnessPal. One of the first things I look for when I am trying to lose weight is the sources of fat listed in the menu or the recipe so that we can cut that back a little bit. So this is a great hack and I think you should try it. So I'm going to edit the amount of olive oil. I'm taking it from 3 to 2 tablespoons, nothing super significant. We're not eliminating all fat. And the butter, I'm going from 4 to 2 tablespoons. And then what I'm going to do is increase, because I love lemon and there are no calories, I'm going to add 2 additional tablespoons of lemon juice. And what that did was it essentially brought the calories down from over 500 to 435. So now what I'm going to do is save it and log it. And what you can't see on my screen, but hopefully you'll be able to see on yours, is I'm going to pick the date, the meal, and I'm having a full serving of that. So I click log it, and it will automatically show the chicken piccata here at dinner for Wednesday, July 13th. Gives you all of the macros, which is fantastic. And then that is going to be saved in your recipe box for future reference. If you remembered you liked a recipe or you're eating leftovers, you can go back to the recipe box and log it, or you can go back to your food diary. And let's say you want to have it for lunch tomorrow. You could, let's see, we don't want to go to add food. We want to go to quick tools. So I just made a mistake there. So let's see. So we're going to say copy to date. We're going to say copy to tomorrow. And I want to have it for lunch. So it should show up for lunch the next day. There it is. So just a couple of things that you can do to make things easier when you're importing a recipe that you can find online. And then the second in a series of this video will be how do you enter a recipe manually if it's not available as an online recipe. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you in the next video.